to Jainam Software. Jainam Software has announced all its billing software, which is desktop or offline based softwares, are made free of cost for lifetime. So this software can be used for any business. It has many features like customer management, stock management, inventory management, barcode labeling, all type of reports. It also has global taxation system including GST. It has flexibility to create your customized report and printouts like bill print on pre-printed paper or plain paper. It also provides a lot of voucher creations, customization like estimate, sale, purchase for typical business, or for jewelry business. It provides features like estimate, sale, purchase URD, purchase RD, Karigar, Goldsmith kind of features. You can connect, you can take your software in pen drive and connect to any laptop without any further cost. So this software is totally made free of cost. So hurry up and just download the software, that is Jainam software. Go to www.jainamsoftware.com and download your free billing software. And in case you need any demo, any help, or any kind of support, you can contact Madhuri on number which is displayed here. You can contact in case of any customer feedback or any concern. You can WhatsApp on this given number. So Jainam software provides a lot of billing formats on pre-printed paper or on a plain paper. You can also email to your customer, so no need to take print. So for example, you can see here, these are typical formats. Also, you can access the link provided here. You can access this link where you'll get typical bill format, and you can build your own format from this kind of formats or templates. So hurry up and just download Jainam software, which is a free billing desktop software, and use it without any concern. Now, what kind of businesses it supports? It supports any business which is required estimate sale purchase. For example, it works very well with starting from garment kind of business till businesses like a diamond merchant or diamond training. If we talk about garment or cloth, then it has a lot of customization basically. And for jewelry business, it has like a lot of customization like weight, gross weight, net weight, lace weight, or in some cases wastage. And it has a discount feature as well. For diamond merchants or diamond training, it has features like cut, color, clarity based calculations, and a based calculation based on exchange rate. It can also work for any trading and stockist, cosmetic, oil mill, where calculation can be done on liter basis. Goldsmith, uh, for goldsmith also, the goldsmith business can manage how much gold basically in for manufacturing, then out with the finished gold or finished jewelry. Then it works for electronics and hardware businesses, furniture, mobile and electronics, service repair, automobile industry or automobile shop, like two-wheeler or four-wheeler kind of business, any manufacturing industry. It works well for grocery, toy shop, bakery, or hotel management or hoteling business. Uh, it kind of like a different material shops. It works very well with petrol pump. Then It also works with surgical instruments. Now, whatever categories I have mentioned, apart from that, it works very well globally for any sort of business. And whatever name I have mentioned, we already sold out a paid version to all these categories, but now we have made it absolutely free just to promote our business. We made it absolutely free for all these categories. And please note, the Jainam software free product is only for billing software, which is desktop or offline based. All right. In case you have any queries or anything, you can please contact on this given number. Thank you so much. Have a great day.